this is what we could refer to as a much-awaited project dahil ang dami-daming pinagdaanan, nasimulaan, natigil, nalipat, maraming pagbabago bago tayo umabot dito sa araw na ito. Ngunit, nandito na tayo. We are very happy and we are all very excited that we are slowly putting together the building blocks of our policy of opening up our areas, tourist areas, our business areas, to international travelers without having to go through the Manila airport. We are going to increase the capacity in terms of passengers per hour, movements per hour, in terms of passengers and travelers per year. It is not something that is just belonging to one province. It is not just Aklan who is involved in this. It is the entire region that will be assisted by the construction of this terminal building. The influx of people, of travelers, is going to be a big boost to the local economy and, I might add, the national economy. Tourism right now contributes close to 8% to our GDP. And that is something that we want to increase. When the national government, the local government, and the private sector work together, hand in hand, not opposite sides, but hand in hand, this is what we can achieve.
Yes, no, we're very excited no, that finally this is happening no, for our province. The construction of the new terminal building no, dito sa Godofredo P. Ramos International Airport. This will greatly help no our foreign and local tourists no na mas safe, mas mabilis yung pag-depart and pag-arrive nila dito sa airport na ito. For the past few years kasi syempre medyo mahirap no yung situation dito traveling across no the runway. So at least with this new terminal building we are expecting no na more and more tourists will visit Boracay dahil meron na world class na rin no yung magiging airport namin dito. Strengthening our tourism industry din is kung may cruise ship tourism namin dito, so mas mabilis na yung fly and cruise na gusto rin namin ma-propose no for those tourists that visiting the island of Boracay through other through other means. So malaking tulong talaga tong airport no dahil syempre yung Boracay is a world-renowned destination. We're very happy no na syempre isa talaga sa mga priorities ni President Marcos no yung itong project na to. So with him leading this groundbreaking, makita niya talaga yung situation. So for me and for us no, makita niya ito, happy kami dahil sa lalong mabilis na panahon matatapos na itong terminal building and syempre yung guidance talaga ni Presidente yung importante din sa amin kung paano pa rin namin palakihin no, yung probinsya ng Aklan and yung isla ng Boracay.